J100 operation test. Rbeirao, Preto, Brazil. Device information. Place the pesticide barrels in the front compartment of the vehicle and put the generator in the rear. To enhance the efficiency of pesticide mixing and operation, set up a base station on the vehicle to extend the signal. Observe from the vehicle to expand field of vision and improve operational efficiency. Reasonable planning of plots and flight parameters. Reasonable planning of return points for higher efficiency. Summary: operational efficiency, 6 mu/min operational hours, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Total operational area, 1,370 mu or 91 hectares.